Let's get ready for some motor vlogging. Go for a full system, and if you can't afford it, then don't do it. Just don't ruin your bike. And yeah, I'll give an example of what some of these exhaust pipes sound like. So the ones that sound, the one people that put on that just the end cam, they're like, and then when you got a full system, it's more like, then you hear some pops and bangs like, yeah. So that's cool. You know, you've gone the extra mile and you fitted a full-on system, and it sounds awesome. But when you fitted a normal little wheezy little cannon there, it's like, you know, a bit louder. You might go, you know, you don't get no sparks, nothing. But anyway, it's just my opinion. I'm happy with this exhaust.